Hi guys, I'm Cody J and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now if you're like me and like probably most people in the world, you struggle with acne at some point. So today's video I'm going to show you the steps that I take and the products that I use to help keep my acne at bay. And in addition to that, I'm going to show you guys my Pretty Cool Beauty Natural Rose Quartz Facial Massage Set. And I'm really excited to try this bad boy out. I've never tried any of these gemstone rollers before. So if you're ready to jump into today's video, put your hair up and get ready to throw on a mask or two. Okay guys, I hope you're all doing so well. I am getting ready to detox and get my face on point and get ready for this terrible week that is coming up because I have an extra day of work. But in addition to showing you my steps to help keeping your acne at bay, I also wanted to try out personally this Pretty Cool Beauty Mini Rose Quartz Facial Massage Set. Now this was sent to me a few days ago, so I'm pretty excited to try it out. On the inside it has one of those gemstone rollers like this, and it also has these flat ones for like your neck and your body. There's a headband, there's this little thing that you can put in your hands right here, like scrub your face with it. There's a little towel, and there's a little spatula for when you're applying products. So I'm really excited to give this a try and see if it really, does anything noticeable. Now I know stuff like this, usually you have to do it here and there for a little while to really see some results. So I do believe that it kind of does what it says it can do. I mean, the science behind it, I guess, the research makes sense. So I'm just, at this point, going to use it just to kind of relax and kind of get all my serums real deep into my skin. Okay, so to get this little skincare routine started, normally I wash my face, which I already did off camera. I used a gentle exfoliating cleanser from Dove. So on camera, I'm going to start off with my e.l.f. Super Tone Toner. This is a brightening fruit acid-based toner from e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is super wonderful. Now, if you haven't seen my full review on the e.l.f. Cosmetics Super Skincare line, you can go check that out. I posted that a few weeks ago. So I'm just going to put that on a cotton pad, and I'm going to move my mirror over because I'm a professional. And I'm just going to go over my face to make sure that any extra oils that there may be after washing my face, because I washed it like 20 minutes ago, they are all gone. My skin is ready to go. Now I do get a little bit red in the face when I'm rubbing my face with literally anything, so this has nothing to do with the product. This is actually one of the best toners I've ever used, and I'm almost out, so I need to go get more. And we of course are going to go down the neck because you gotta. Okay, so in the set, like I showed you, there's this little headband. Now, everything in here is pink, and which is great because y'all know I'm a hoe for pink and purple anything. And also, I just decided I was just going to leave my hair down and just be au naturel today, especially because I'm using this. So I'm going to put this bad boy on. I've literally never worn a headband in my life. I feel like I'm cool. So let's put this thing on. Is this even how you do it? I don't even know. But the hair's out of the way and it works. Oh my gosh, I look like I'm about to do some like ass kicking. Okay, so we got the headband on. Oh, looking all cute. Hey, oh my god, is this a thumbnail? Oh my god, maybe should I? Okay, now that the hair's all out of the way, I'm gonna start off with my Cosmetica little Derma Roller. Now, the needles in this are not that deep, which is fine because it doesn't hurt or anything like that really, but it doesn't go as deep as I'd want it to. So if you have a brand or you can find me one that has longer needles, please let me know in the comments. But I'm gonna give my face a little spritz with my Glacial Water Facial Mist from Spascriptions, just so there's something on my skin. Ooh, now this one is the Orange Lemon and Grapefruit, which has vitamin C, helps brighten my skin. So we all love a good brightened complexion. So now I'm just going to roll this over my skin, back and forth, and typically I will go in all directions, but I always start off with like one direction first. Okay, so we went left and right. Now we're gonna go up and down and go over everything again. I put a little bit of pressure in it, but not too much, but you'll definitely see my face get a little bit red. Now, if you don't know what this does, it basically is a knockoff version of the procedure called microneedling, which you guys should know that I got that done before. I posted a little bit about it and some videos and stuff. And basically what it's supposed to do is help bring collagen and elastin to the surface of your skin, so it helps make it more plump. It also will help fight hyperpigmentation and break down the little dark spots that you have. It helps with reducing fine lines and wrinkles, and it also helps your skin absorb products that you put on afterwards, such as serums or toners. So once we have given our face a pretty good run through with this bad boy, and we're starting to feel the pain a little bit, we are going to put on our next product. Okay, so next up, I'm actually going to throw on a mask. This is a Skin Better Science Detoxifying Scrub Mask. Now, this is supposed to help refresh and exfoliate your skin. It says that you can use this twice a week, so you need to apply a dime-sized amount to clean, damp skin, then massage it with your fingertips and rinse with water. Use a sunscreen during the day is recommended, and of course, it's paraben-free, fragrance and dye-free, and cruelty-free. Now, most things that you put on your face, you don't want them to be heavily fragranced because that's irritating to most people. I have very sensitive skin, so having stuff with like as less fragrance as possible is best for me. Now, I actually got this from my doctor, Brian Goodhue. You can find him at Goodhue Aesthetics. I will link his social media in the description box below, as well as his link to his business. So if you are in or near the Columbus, Ohio area, I really recommend checking him out for all your aesthetic or skin enhancing or improving needs. He has a full line of Skin Better Science, which is definitely the best products I've ever used. You guys have seen me use the overnight retinol cream. It's been a game changer for me. Now, don't get me wrong, you can have the best products in the world, but your face is still gonna break out. Mine is no exception. Sometimes it's my diet. For me, it's that I started tanning again recently, so if you haven't been able to tell, and for me, it makes my skin break out every single time for a little bit, and then we get used to it, and then we're good to go. But this all really helps keep my acne at bay in general, so especially if I'm not tanning or my diet is, you know, how it's supposed to be, I can keep my acne pretty under control. All these products to me work really well together. You know, you're cleaning your face, you're making sure it's toned and everything is really dirt and oil free. You're making sure that with a little roller that you're piercing the skin enough to where when you're putting this mask on that it really takes in the chemicals, not the chemicals, but like the ingredients inside it to really do its job. And then after we take this mask off, the rest of the products we're going to use is really going to be absorbed into our skin. So when you go to sleep, your skin's working, it's refreshing, it's fixing everything, and when you wake up, you went from probably like a 7 because you're all beautiful to like a 9.5. So it's what we want, it's what we're going for. God, I look like Mrs. Doubtfire. Hello! Anyway, so now that I have this on, even though I did the roller on my neck, I'm not going to put this face mask on my neck because my neck is extra sensitive, and we're just not going to go there. So I'm going to let this sit on my face probably like 15 or 20 minutes. I'm going to go make some chicken Alfredo at 11 o'clock at night because I am hungry, and I will be right back. Alrighty guys, I got the face mask removed. My face already feels pretty tight. It feels really nice and smooth. This mask from Skin Better Science really does make your face feel refreshed and detoxified, and I really like that. Now, like I said, you can use that like twice a week, so I would recommend it. But if you're gonna go out in the sun or you tan like I do, make sure you wear an SPF. Just be careful. The next, I'm gonna take a little bit of my L'Oreal Revitalift Under Eye Cream. Now, I love this because it has a little cool silver tip to it, and it always feels cold, which is just really nice, and it's really good for deep puffing. So you're just gonna squeeze a little bit out of that and rub it underneath your eyes. I like to do a little bit more than probably necessary just because, why not? Now what I'm also gonna do is I'm gonna go a little bit up on my eyelid crease area, just a little bit. Now before I start using more of these tools, I did want to say also that the facial massage set does retail for $26, and you can buy that on Amazon, and you can also contact Pretty Cool Beauty on social media. I will have all of that information in the description box as well, so you'll definitely want to check that out. So now I'm going to take the little roller that we got here. Again, it's a beautiful pink rose quartz roller. Now I'm going to take the little end right here. I'm just going to kind of massage in that under eye cream that we just put. So it being with the cooling tip on this and with the actual applicator here, plus the cream itself, it should help a little bit. Alrighty, that felt really relaxing and refreshing, and it's much better than just kind of like patting in with your fingers. But while it sets for a minute, and before we move on to the rest of the face, I want to read exactly what Pretty Cool Beauty says that this allegedly does. It says that when you massage the face using the roller, it helps to relax muscle tension, stimulate lymphatic drainage, promote blood circulation, and reduce puffiness, all which we want to do. With long-term use, this beauty ritual improves the toning of facial muscles and minimizes the fine lines and wrinkles. The recommended massage schedule is, in the AM routine, use the rose quartz roller to promote glowing skin and reduce eye puffiness for 5 to 7 minutes. PM routine is to use the roller with the nighttime skincare to increase absorption and to unwind and relieve stress. Now, do I really have 5 to 7 minutes in the morning or at night, to be honest, to just sit here and go like this? No, but I could do it for a couple of minutes. I don't see why not. Again, it's better than using your fingers, but you definitely want to make sure you sterilize this afterwards with like alcohol or whatever, just to make sure that it's clean every time you're going to go put it on your face. So now next I'm going to be using my Fourth Ray Beauty Acai Milk moisturizer. So I'm actually gonna give this a little whiff because you know I like to smell everything. That's, yeah, I don't know. It's like, what? It's like grape chalk, so don't love that. But we're just gonna like drip it on our face like you see people do on Instagram, because in addition to being a YouTuber, we're also Instagram baddies. So just like, yes. Is that a thumbnail right there? Yes. No. Oh, you're supposed to suck it in, not just whip it out. Anyway. This is probably so much, but like, this is literally gonna be so much, I don't even care. I don't even know, I've never used it before, but go big or go home. I am gonna put this on my neck because it's kind of irritated. So that was a lot, and I just got it all over the floor, but like, what can you do? Do it right, that's what you can do. So now we're gonna take the big end of this, and I'm just gonna kind of roll it in, because I think it's fun. And yeah, we're gonna go into the beard line because, hello, acne grows there too, men. You gotta do it. So just rub this in, roll it in. But yeah, definitely I use too much, but like, we're just gonna let it soak it up. Now what I love about this big end is that, we love a good big end, but what I love about this big end is it's like it covers so much surface area right away. Like neck, done. Like, look at this big old forehead. Done. Not really. But like, you can just have a good old time and roll for your life. Work that all in. Yeah, I definitely used like an extraordinarily large amount, but it is what it is. And it feels like it's getting warm. Actually, it is getting warm. It's kind of cool. Like, I don't think it's like meant to like actually like chemically get warm, but like it feels warm and I like it. So now once we have that kind of rolled into our skin, like as much as we can, and underneath the eyes again, my face is getting red. I'm just gonna like pat this into my face. My hands are clean because I literally just washed them 35 seconds ago. Now again, my skin is very sensitive, so me just like touching my face makes my face really red. It is not any of these products. Now the set does come with this big one, and it's like really weird shape, but it's supposed to like do it on your like neck and like, but like I don't want to. I already used the other big roller and I like that roller. So now that we have that all done, we have washed our face off camera, we toned our face, we threw a little bit of our Spa-scriptions spray on there just to kind of get it moist. We used our roller on it to help promote elasticity, collagen production, and product absorption. It also helps fight fine lines, wrinkles, and hyperpigmentation. We threw on our amazing Skin Better Science detoxifying scrub face mask, and then we topped it off with a little bit of our Revitalift under eye cream with our little roller. Then we used the Fourth Ray Beauty Acai Face Milk, which smells like grape scented chalk. And now our face feels fresh, it feels relaxed and revitalized, detoxified. In the morning when I wake up, I'm gonna look like an angel. So I do want to say that my final thoughts on the Pretty Cool Beauty Rose Quartz Facial Massage Set, that's a mouthful, is I think the price is appropriate, $26 for this pretty package, and you get a lot of stuff in it. It's very multi-use. You have a little face scrubber, you have the one for the neck, you have the roller itself with the smaller and the larger end, and it doesn't squeak or make any weird noises like some do. You have the cool little travel bag you can put stuff in. You have the little spatula for when you're taking your products out of your like jars, like face masks. Some of us use fingers, me, all the time. So like maybe don't use your fingers. And I think overall it's a great price for all those things, and I think it's really nice. You could send this to somebody. This could be a nice birthday gift for your mother or your grandma or yourself if you want to spoil yourself, because you should spoil yourself once in a while. So is the Pretty Cool Beauty Natural Rose Quartz Facial Massage Set Cody J approved? Yes, indeed, it is. So I'm going to take this beautiful pink headband off, let my hair down, and let's jump into today's MUA shout out. Check this. Today's MUA shout out goes to the super amazing Ashley Haw Makeup. I will link all of her information in the description box below, so definitely want to go check her out and tell her Cody J sent ya. If you'd like to be my next video's MUA shout out, all you have to do is of course be subscribed to my YouTube channel and retweet this video link when I post it onto Twitter. If you guys would like to follow me on my social media, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and TikTok, all at Cody J Artistry. And as always, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below, click the big red subscribe button so you can join my YouTube family, click the bell icon so you can turn on my YouTube post notifications, leave me a comment or two, and I will see you guys in the next one.